Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 10 fabulous lines about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So let's get started. Sardar Patel, who is known as Iron Man of India and Bismarck of India, is one of the most influential politicians and freedom fighters of India. Patel, one of the 6 children of Sardar Bhai Patel and Ladba, was born in Nadiyat village, Gujarat on 31st October 1875. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and the first Home Minister after independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's biggest contribution was organizing the 562 princely states and incorporating them in the federal structure. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in 1991. His belief in the principle of unity in diversity and stand united for the common cause of India's independence made him the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel left the world on 15 December 1950 due to a massive heart attack. In the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 31st October is celebrated as National Unity Day. The tallest statue of Sardar Patel is in Gujarat, named Statue of Unity, and is also the tallest statue in the world. He was an immense source of inspiration for the youth of nation, not only during the freedom movement but also in the current day. He is being termed as the self-made man in true sense. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.